Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today I thought I would show you guys my wash day routine. It's really simple. I don't know how many steps you guys want to be doing, but it's not my portion. I don't like that life. So I'm literally using from washing to moisturizing. I have literally what, 4 products? 4 Baku, Mienu, Miesa and 9. Just 4 products that I use on my hair to wash my hair, and it's been good for me so far. Okay, so let's start with the products that I use. So the first product that I use to wash my hair is, I guess, my shampoo, but I don't actually use shampoo, and I haven't used shampoo on my hair for a number of years now. Not because there's anything wrong with shampoo, but I just feel like what I use washes better than shampoo. It's cheaper and I already have this product that I use for my skin and other things, so why not just use it for my hair? So what I use to wash my hair is this here. So this is African black soap. As you can see, even though the name says black soap, it's actually brown and it's actually quite soft. So don't be getting counterfeit stuff, okay? So this is the original African black soap, and what I do with this, let me just show you how big this is. And what I do with this is I actually add or mix it with some water. So I liquefy it because I find it easier to use in the shower when it's in a liquid form rather than when it's in like its actual soap bar form. And then within this I do add a few drops of peppermint oil. Any peppermint oil will do. The one that I have here is from Fresh Skin, so maybe 3-4 drops in here. I just like how it feels on my scalp. I feel like it gives this sort of cooling sensation, this tingling sensation, and I feel like it's working. I don't know, I like that kind of sensation when I have my shampoos. So this is what I used to wash: black soap with water mixed with some peppermint oil. So the next product is conditioner. I've never been too fussed about conditioners, to be honest. I would just buy what I could find. I'd get conditioner from Poundland, Tesco, Lidl, wherever. I didn't really care much. However, I went to Tesco the other day and I did see this one on reduction. That's what drew my attention to it, because you know me, I like a bit of a discount here and there. How big is this? I think this is, yeah, 1,000 mils. It's a really big conditioner, and they had reduced it to like £3 something, and I was like, oh, let me give this a try. So that's the only reason I actually bought this. But since I bought it, I've actually really liked it. I bought a few on that day, so it's lasted me this long. It was on reduction, so I was like, ooh, something cheap. Oh, anyone who knows me knows I'm frugal. Like frugal is my middle name. Frugal, Deborah Frugal next. So yeah, that's why I bought that. And then finally, when I come out the shower for moisturizing, so if you guys have watched my petroleum jelly hair video, you guys know that I rave about petroleum jelly. I feel that if you struggle with moisture in your hair, definitely use a petroleum based product because I think it works wonders. There was a phase in the whole natural hair community where petroleum was demonized and don't use petroleum this, but Charlie, I'm telling you, petroleum is the truth. Trust me, petroleum is, if it doesn't work for you then fine, but if you haven't given it a try because of what you've heard, definitely give it a try. So on the last step, basically out of the shower, I've run out of this, but I do have basic petroleum jelly. However, I normally mix it with this petroleum jelly that I got from Ghana. Basically any petroleum jelly product will do. So Dux and Blue Magic, Apple Hair Food, anything that has petroleum jelly will do. This one is Elion's Natural Sheen with honey. I just like the smell of this. So normally I would mix this with this, and then finally another holy grail of mine, shea butter. So shea butter, again, you guys know where we're coming from. It's from Ghana. So shea butter as well. We have the white one, and then we also have the yellow one. It doesn't really matter which one you use, but it's super moisturizing. So normally my little concoction would be petroleum, shea butter, and then petroleum again, but I ran out of this, so today I'm just going to be using petroleum and shea butter today on my hair. So just to recap the products that I use: African black soap liquefied with a few drops of peppermint oil, conditioner. Oh, another good good thing about this conditioner, or maybe I think maybe to look out for, is something that is quite thick. I did realize that my older conditioners were quite watery and so forth, and like they would do, but now that I've, you know, seen the light, I realized that having a thicker conditioner makes a huge difference, especially for 4 type hair. So definitely think about that and consider that when you're buying a conditioner. I'm not big on like brand names or anything, but I did realize that having a thicker conditioner, I felt my hair, you know, added a bit more pizzazz or whatever. So as I said, these products from Natural World, the Moroccan Oreo one, as well as the Brazilian Keratin, and finally for moisture, any sort of petroleum based product, as well as African shea butter. Yeah, so we're gonna get into the shower and I'm gonna start washing my hair. I do normally try and section it sometimes, but today I'm feeling a bit lazy, so I've just made sure that I thoroughly detangled my hair so that I don't get any knotting while washing. But if you do struggle with knots and matting and so forth, then you probably should put them into twists. I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to wash my hair. This sense of freedom of just being able to do like a L'Oreal advert, you know, with my hair. But yeah, so that's all the products I use, guys, and we're gonna step into the shower. I probably won't speak while I'm in the shower. I'll just do a voiceover, because anybody got time for water getting in your mouth and so forth. And of course, it's 2020, we're looking for husbands, so we need to make sure that we are looking beautiful all the time. All right. Alright guys, so I'm back. It's probably been about 40 minutes or so. Obviously I had to bath, and then I had to wash the bath, and then I had to eat some plantain chips and so many other things that I could have been doing. But anyway, so at this point, as I said, after washing with my black soap, after conditioning with that conditioner, I now go in and moisturize with my shea butter mixed with my petroleum based product. This one is a sort of orangey color, and this, obviously the shea butter that I have is a white one. So I just mix them both together. And while I was in the shower, after I had put the conditioner in, I went in and I put my hair into little twists. Honestly, I don't know, the reason why I do that is because it takes up some time, because I hate having to wait like for the conditioner to like seep in and all that. So for me, mentally, it's like, okay, by the time I'm done putting these twists in, it will be time to wash it out. So yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna go and basically undo each of the twists and just add some of this to it. And this is it. My hair is still damp, it's not completely dry, which is fine. This is where I want it to be. So your hair shouldn't be completely damp, and just put in the mixture of petroleum and shea butter, work it in, and then I'm actually probably going to put my hair in little braids, but for now, just for camera's sake, I'll put it back in the twists. And literally, this is it. This is all I do to the hair, people. I don't stress myself. So as I'm saying, putting them in twists is a mental thing for me to say that once I'm done putting these in twists, then it's time to wash them out. So it takes me maybe 5, 7, 10 minutes to put them in twists, so that at that point I know, okay, I can now wash it out, because I hate waiting that length of time. So I'm just going to carry on and unravel each section, add my petroleum and shea butter mix. Okay, but anyway guys, this is it, and you're good to go. Hair is nice and moisturized. Look at the spring. Ooh, 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 ooh. And we're done. All right guys, let me know what you think about this. Have anybody tried black soap to wash their hair? If you have, then let me know your results down below. And is anyone still using petroleum? Who's never stopped using petroleum? Just let me know how that process is, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to rate, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care and stay safe.